Good guys, alright. It's been a while. Finally was able to buy some more parts for my car. And I wouldn't really say parts, more like part. It's just sway bar endings. So I need a lot of stuff. The car needs a lot of work. As of right now, this is an annoying part because if you know sway bar end links, when they go bad, they start making noise. Good old ZZP. I was waiting for these for so long. They've been out of stock for a while. And I just randomly checked one night at midnight and they're back in stock. So I had to hurry up and get them. These are the 210mm. My car's lowered, but it's not that low. Oh, I need to wash my car. I always use my house key. Oh, my apologies about the beginning. I forgot I was in a YouTube video. And I started recording in a vertical scene. But we'll head to the shop, get some tools, head to the house. It's nice having a shop, or working at a shop. They don't let me go in on weekends or use it whenever I need to. There's just something about working in your garage. I don't know if you can hear this. Got some speed bumps coming. I don't know if the mic is able to pick up the clunking. That's been going on for about 2 months now. My list of things I need to get done is just getting bigger and bigger. Next will probably be coils, or actually my shifter. This is first gear. And it's still so that's next. That's another $50 part, so that'll probably be the next thing. And then after that, I want to do coilovers because. Well, anyway, I was saying, yeah, I have access to a lift and all at work. I could do these there within 10 minutes, but and then it'll be a 2-minute video. So, I figure a lot of you don't have access to lifts, so we're gonna do it the car enthusiast way in the garage, because why not? On jack stands, with the floor jack stands, laying on the ground, for the culture. Some morning Ferrantis. I walked in and my boss was just sitting there watching TV. Scared the hell out of me. Walked in ready to turn off the alarm. I was like, who's here? And he's like, I'm in here. He's like, oh. Alright, let's see, what do I need? What I should have did was, what I do need at home is this. I'm actually just gonna leave this one there, and that can be my impact. I am, let's see if we get this. I'm pretty sure I have sockets, but just in case, little flip socket. I said I'm going home because, or I'm doing this in the garage since a lot of people don't have access to a lift. And here I am taking all my air tools and electric impacts. Probably take another battery just in case. Actually, you know what? No, this is a challenge. One hand. I need a mount for my head mount or chest mounter or something. Let's see. So I just need this. I have vice grips, but these are cool to have. You want a toolbox tour? No, next time. I really just drove 20 minutes just to get the impact, and I should have everything there. We'll find out. You gotta see this car. Camaro. It's got an LS2 in it. The guy wants 600 to the wheels though, so we're gonna be putting a Pro Charger in here for that. That'll be for the shop channel though, hopefully. Alright, I think that's it. I have everything else I really need. I just wanted an impact because I need one there. I just got my air compressor set up like a week or 2 ago, and I just bought like an air chuck for tires. So. let's get back on the road. We got a tool, I just realized. Almost forgot the torque wrench. The wheel lug torque wrench. So, there's the in-link. I replaced these a few years ago too, but I don't know if you can see the movement. Yeah, it's not supposed to do that, so I've never had a adjustable sway bar link, so I don't know. Fine-tuning, sizing, shorter, longer. So kind of just going with the stock size. Yeah, we'll get the old one off, and yes, I'm using a chrome socket. Make it a little easier, we'll go take off both the top nuts first. So that way the sway bar can just hang down, and then we can just get the gun shade on this. Thankfully, these ones I put on have that little, have a spot where you can put a wrench on to hold it. Sometimes they're too skinny to put vice grips on, which is where this type of vice grip will come in. So you can just, you know, loosen it, get it back there, and then just hold it enough to loosen it. Luckily, I don't have to do it on this one. Yeah, now both of those are off. Cool. It's down far enough. Let's see if I can. Good news, I got a 17 impact. The chrome's fine. Worst it'll do is shatter, but you know. What's life without risk, huh? The bottom is a 19. It might be different for your car, but it's still factory. I don't remember the factory size. Part number. Focus. M2, yeah, the 210. M12. Like I said, I've never had adjustables before, but we're just gonna put them to the same length because I don't want to mess anything up. I am curious how far these come out. Let's find out, huh? In case you're wondering or you want to know. Oh, and that's it. So that's max, or that's not max. That should be max. I'll probably make them a little shorter. Center to center, let's get a measuring tape. So stock, remember this is the FE3 suspension. Center to center is 11 7/8. 11 7/8. Let's do 11 3/4. Right there. One side, the other side I'll leave a little. It's even to me. Okay, all the other nuts are 19, so that's good to know. Alright, put these back on. So we'll do the same like we took them off. We'll just tighten up the bottom one first. Oh, let's put it in backwards. Oh, I noticed that these don't have. See, these don't have a thing to hold on to, but they got to put the L in. So So use the L to hold it. One side, we'll go put on the other side. Got it. Alright, now that's that. Two side bars. Links. No more noise. That's it. Oh, it sounds so much better. I'm still gonna hear my strip noise. Like I got freaking leaking. The mounts are blown pretty much. Definitely thought not a lot of issues, but expensive issues because I'm going coilovers next. So it's not leaking, but it's very worn too. My axle boot's torn. It's been torn for a while. So gotta be off to the coil. So, all right, time to get these tires back on. Alright, we got looks lower, looks faster. Just kidding. So shiny, the only shiny thing in the whole car. Well, time to test drive it. Alright. Now the challenge is where my son lives. It's kind of hard to find bumps. Yeah, where he lives, there's not really many speed bumps. They're more like dips. So I guess my real test will be when I get back to my apartment complex. You hit those speed bumps. And there's the exhausts. Let's see what we can find. I'll probably still hear the struts. A little bump up here. Ah, better. It'll usually make noise right there. The school over here has some speed bumps, I think. I lied, no speed bumps. Oh, there is a speed bump. Cool. No brakes. And no noise. Woohoo! One less annoying thing to deal with. Next is this. Alright, well, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Tomorrow I am headed out to Casa Grande area, the Podium Club racetrack. My shop has our shop owner has a pass to go out there and take some guests. So, expect that video. I'll try a video, so if I do, expect that one later on this week. But yeah, time to go have some fun. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you like the content. Like I said, it's more like a vlog style. So anyway, hope you enjoyed. Leave some comments if you want, whatever you want to see. Try to see what I can do. Long gone. Peace.